So hi guys, welcome back sa ating video related sa AutoCAD tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you po kung paano po gumawa ng mga symbols na madalas na ginagamit sa paggawa ng floor plan. But before we start po, I am asking po for supporting this channel po by subscribing po sa aking YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button po sa baba. And if ever na gusto nyo po na updated sa mga videos na nire-release ko kagaya ng video na to is click the notification bell and select all para updated po tayo sa mga videos na nire-release ko kagaya ng AutoCAD tutorial. Okay? So, let's start. We are going to make some of the basic na drawings or symbols kung ano yung kanyang kahalagahan and yung kung paano siya gawin. So first is the doors. So doors, we have four types ng door na madalas na ginagamit sa paggawa ng floor plan. We have the entrance door, the exit door or the kitchen door, the interior door, and the toilet and bath door. So each doors have its own measurement. So paano natin malalaman yung measurement? Magbabase tayo ng measurement sa National Building Code of the Philippines. Okay, so for here, we can make a rectangle. Wait, we can make a rectangle by typing the specified measurement. The thickness of the door must be 0.05 meters. And para sa entrance door, ang kailangan natin is 0.9 meters. So paano? We have the x-axis, yung thickness, and the y-axis, yung length ng ating door. So we have the thickness must be 0.05 and then the length of the door must be 0.9 meters. And after that, we can make a rectangle with 0.9 meters by 0.05 meters. Next is to make its door jump. By making its door jump, we can simply make a polyline and trace only some of the important measurement like 0.05 by 0.025, 0.025, and then we have the 0.075, we have the 0.075 and the 0.5, and then enter or click the spacebar. We can mirror it the other side of the jump para magmukhang symmetrical yung jump. So, we can make a line. Guideline natin siya. So, 0.9, the length of the door. Enter. And next is to select the door jump na ginawa natin and MI for mirror. Sa mirror, gagawin natin, i-mirror natin yung mismong drawing. So, enter. Then, select the first mirror point, which is the midpoint ng ating line. Click and drag it downward. And make sure na naka-ortho mode tayo by clicking the F8. And click. Then enter. After that, we can delete the unnecessary line that we made and then delete. Next is to make an arc. So for arc, we can make the opening of the door. And by that, we can make the symbol for entrance door. So we have the entrance door, for example, and now we can use this in our entrance door. And after that, the door, we can make now our wall. So by wall, we have two types ng wall na ginagamit. The exterior and the interior wall. Sa ating last video, ginawa natin yung layer nila. Magkaiba yung layer ni exterior wall and ni interior wall. By that, we can make our interior wall. The thickness of the interior wall must be 0.15 meters. So by that, we can make a L or line and make a 0.15. And then let's try to move this in our door jump so that it will fit properly in the center of the door jump. Then we can offset it in 1 meter. And then enter or click space, and we can make the length of our wall. So let's assume we have 2 and then 0.15 and then 2, and we can copy this for the other side. I am just showing how to make a symbol for the exterior interior wall. No, wait, interior wall. Then after that, for example, we have the interior wall, we can make our exterior wall. So select the exterior wall, type line. Sa line, pwede tayo gumawa ng ating wall sa labas. So we have example 3.25 and then 5 and then click. Then we can I think we need to offset it because I forgot na ito yung interior. The basic no, the standard size for the thickness of the interior wall must be 0.10. I forgot that we have the interior wall, and then I think we need to align this in our wall and attach it here, and then we can trim some of the unimportant stuffs. And after that, we can make our no, wait, I'm just going to fix it. Wait, I'm going to fix it. Okay, so I think I fixed it. I forgot to say that I used the interior wall for the green and exterior wall for the cyan. The thickness of the exterior must be 0.15 and the interior wall must be 0.10. It is the minimum, but I think we can go it thicker, but the minimum must be 0.15 for the exterior and 0.10 for the interior. Okay, so after that we can offset the wall by 0.15 0.15 and another 0.15. Then we can trim some of the um, lines na hindi natin kailangan or sumobra. And after that, we can enter. Next is the window. Oops. Window. In window, we have the same color and same line weight for the door. So example, we have the middle part, and we have 0.6 and the other 0.6, and then I think we can trim this and delete some of the unimportant things. And then after we made the opening here, we can make a window. So how to make a window in AutoCAD? First is to draw a rectangle, REC. After that, we're going to specify the first corner point, which is this one. And we are going to drag the other point in this part. And then after that, we're not finished yet. We can make a line in two midpoints na nasa maliit na line. So we have L for line and select natin yung midpoint nila. And we have the symbol for the window. Next one is the column. So sa column is we have the column na layer na may line type na 0.5 meters. So the size of um the column in minimum in National Building Code is 0.3 by 0.2 meters. 0.3 by 0.2 meters. So we have here the column, and we can rotate it. After we rotate it, we can move to our designated corner that we can make a column, and we can now offset the wall, and after we offset, we can trim it. After that, we can move it. After we move, F for fillet, R radius 0. We're going to use the fillet in this, and we are going to meet the lines that we can use. And after that, we fillet the corners. We can go back to our column, and we can hatch it. So how to hatch? We can type the H para magkaroon tayo ng parang nakaslab, and then select this and change the size 0.10, 0.01, I think. So we have a 0.01 and another 0.01. in the other column and enter. So we have here the symbol for the column, the rectangle with hatch. And next is the dimensions. So dimensions, we can um, show the size of the object. So we have here dim for dimension, and we can make a dimension here up to here. For example, we have here the um, dimension, and next we can make another one here and another one here. Then we can make from here up to here, and we can make here up to here. And for the, I think the overall dimension of this part must be here, and this measurement up to here, and measurement for here to here, and then another one here up to here, the total measurement. So we have here the simple drawing that we have, the simple floor plan or simple layout that we have, containing doors, windows, interior and exterior wall, the column, and the dimension. Next one is the cutting plane. So, cutting plane, ginagamit para mag-cut ng part ng drawing, para ma-project natin na maayos yung kanyang details. So, example, I think we can make a detail here in this part, in this area. So, we can make a line like this. Don't worry, in CAD, it is not thick. But in our printing, the line that we made like this is a very thick, because we set the layer for the cutting plane, and we set its line weight na 0.7 kanyang line weight. Kaya pag nagprint tayo, hindi mahalaga yung nakikita sa CAD. Ang mahalaga is makapal siya pag na-print natin. After natin magawa natin tong line is gagawa na tayo ng symbol ng cutting plane, which is yung may arrow. So, paano? So, we have here the L for line. Then we can make a, I think, one and circle. After that, we can make a polygon with 3 sides. Circumscribe. Then move this to until here. Pag na-move natin siya, itong sambo, kopya natin para makabuo tayo ng symbol ng cutting plane. So, ayan yung ilang elements na kailangan sa paggawa ng drawing. The cutting plane, the door, the window, exterior wall, interior wall, dimensions, windows. And I think the last is the stairs. So I think we have the stairs, for example, and we can detail it. So paano? We have example dito na may line. the width of the stairs, the minimum width of the stair is 0.75, and the steps or the riser must be minimum of 0.15 up to 20 up to zero point 0.2, and the thread is minimum of zero point 0.2 and the maximum is 0.25. But for me, I always use the zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.2 so that I will not confuse um in my measurements. It is very easy to make a um measurements, and I will not confuse in other making steps because they have the same value or same measurement for the riser and the thread. So this is the plan view for the um plan view for the stairs, and we can make its I think the side view for this um stairs. So example, we have the offset here 0.5, then every 0.2, 1, 2. So we have zero point 0.2 by 2 meters by 2 meters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here the every 0.2, and we can make a line. Then we can offset it so that we can make um the simple side view of the um stairs by using the offset and typing the value of the measurement of the thread and the riser, which means the zero point 0.2 and another zero point 0.2. After that, we can trim the unnecessary. Then using the trim command, we can trim the part that we don't need, and also by selecting the object, we can delete this and delete. And we have here our the stairs, and we can make a line. Then another trim for trimming the unnecessary lines that we have here. So that is the plan view, and the elevation or side view of the stairs. So we have these symbols: the door, window, exterior wall, interior wall, dimension, column, the cutting plane, and last is the stairs. So I think the next video that I'm going to release is how to make symbols of furnitures. So this is the end of our video, and please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't subscribe in my YouTube channel. Please po, pa-support po ng channel na to, and if ever po, i-share nyo po to sa iba na gusto matuto mag-CAD para ma-acknowledge po sila at magkaroon ng matututunan sa paggamit ng AutoCAD. So, I think this is the end of this video, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Peace.